Hi, Matt Bernstein from Low Cost Hustle, here to teach you about simple bookkeeping for your business. When your first sale comes in, you need to keep track of your revenue and all of your costs of doing business. The IRS is going to want to know during tax season, and you're going to want to know how much money you're also making. You need something to measure your goals against. You need to keep track of your cost of doing business so you know what expenses need to be cut. You'll learn how to use Microsoft Excel to keep track of the books for your online business. At this point, you should not have any upfront expenses. The only expenses you should encounter is after you make a sale. In that case, you only need to keep track of sales transactions. Create a Microsoft Excel file and title it with the name of your business and the year. You want to complete the column headings for each of these fields. You want to mark down the date of the transaction. You want to copy and paste the customer shipping address and email address so you can easily contact them in the future. You also want to mark down their order information, the contents of your customers' orders. You want to mark down the quantity of how many items of each product your customer bought. You want to mark down the revenue, meaning what was the sale price? How much did your customer pay for their order? You want to mark down the cost of goods. How much did you have to pay for your customer's order? You want to mark down the shipping costs. How much did it cost you to ship out your customer's order? You want to mark down eBay fees. How much of a commission did eBay charge you for the sale? It's usually 9 or 10% per sale. Merchant fees. How much did your merchant account, payment gateway, or PayPal charge you for the transaction? And lastly, your net profit. How much money did you make from your customers' orders? Gross revenue minus your cost of goods and other expenses. It's very simple math. You also want to input your tracking number. So upload the tracking number from your customer's order into your Excel spreadsheet to keep track of your shipping history. How do you keep track of the books for your business? Do you use Excel, QuickBooks? Leave a comment below and let me know.